Don't let your kids miss out on the bubbliest summer adventure ever here at Young Fan Summer Camp. We believe in creating unforgettable experiences for your children. And this summer, we're taking things to new heights with our Bubble Show extravaganza. Give your kids the best summer memories, moments of pure joy, discovery, and wonder they'll cherish forever. Imagine their faces lighting up with delight as they witness the magic of bubbles like never before. Our world-class bubble artists will captivate your children with their skills, creating jaw-dropping bubble sculptures, mind-bending bubble rings, and mesmerizing bubble patterns right before their eyes. But the Bubble Show extravaganza isn't just a spectacle, it's an interactive experience where your kids get to be part of the action. Under the guidance of our skilled instructors, your children will learn the secrets of bubble artistry and create their bubble masterpieces, fostering creativity and building confidence along the way. The Young Fan Summer Camp Bubble Show extravaganza is an unforgettable experience for children. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.